If you're new to making dupes of high-end decor, then this video is for you. Today I'll share some easy and fun ways to make copies of expensive Kirkland's decor for way less money. Now let's get crafting on the first Christmas DIY. I loved this tabletop Christmas tree. It would dress up a shelf or empty spot on a table so nicely. For this, it's not very big and $90 seems a little steep, so let's make our own version for way less. We'll start with this small Christmas tree, which I think was about $3 at the Target dollar spot. I have not tried disassembling this, so let's see what's underneath that brown craft paper. So it looks like a slab of concrete for added weight, and then a piece of foam with a bit of moss on top. To make a vase that looks like our Kirkland's inspiration, I'm using this sturdy gift box that I found in the craft section at Dollar Tree. I already took the lid off, and I'm going to hand paint it white. I noticed the branches had small red berries, so we'll be using a sprig of Christmas berries that I had picked up at Dollar Tree. These are foam, so I'm just peeling them off, and if any of the red came off, I made sure to position the white area against the branch so it would be hidden as much as possible. There were a few spots where the white spots weren't covered, so I did use a Sharpie paint pen to cover that up. I'm creating the sign that will wrap around the vase in Adobe Illustrator. I'm a designer for a living, so I love putting these printables together for you. This weekend is my birthday, and my husband surprised me with a little trip. So I may not get to posting the printables for these projects until next week. You'll be able to find the printables over on my blog, artsycupcake.com, when they're up. I'll also add the link to the description box below this video once that printable is posted on my blog. Today I'm joining in the Heidi Sonbull DIY challenge, and a bunch of other crafters will be joining a playlist with their best Christmas DIYs. So make sure to check out the playlist in the description box below. Also, check out Heidi's channel because she does some amazing crafts. If you're new to Artsy Cupcake, welcome. My name is Maria, and I love inspiring you with fresh ideas for every season. So click that little subscribe button and the notification bell. That way you'll know when my new videos get posted. After trimming this up, I used some Super 77 to glue this to our vase. You can find this moss at Dollar Tree, and you just need a little to cover up any empty spots around the edges, and this moss really gives it a cohesive look. Here were the supplies we had to pick up for this project, and here is mine compared to the Kirkland's one. I think this is a pretty close dupe for way cheaper, but let me know what you think in the comments section below. This countdown to Christmas sign is so adorable. I love how it looks like a Christmas ornament, and it has some galvanized metal details on it. How can we make this for less than $90? We'll start with this wooden round, which was something I found in the Target dollar spot for $3. I had already painted it and used it on another project. I had added that piece of rope around the edge, and I think I will leave that on because it does give a nice finishing touch. But any round piece of wood will do for this project. I marked where the center was and then drilled a hole in the middle. I'll give this a nice deep red coat of paint, and then we'll work on our sign for the front. I'm going to glue these with Super 77 to a piece of Dollar Tree poster board. This will make all the elements more sturdy. Then we'll just trim everything out. I love my ergonomic scissors from Fiskars. If you have arthritis or wrist issues, these are really helpful for that because of the way that they're shaped. I'm stippling on some silver paint to give these pieces that galvanized metal look. I poked a hole in the sign before gluing it down, and that little piece of wire is just there to help line everything up as I place down the sticky piece of paper. The sign came with a hook on the back, so I'm using that to attach some floral wire for the top. I'll add that other galvanized metal piece for the front with some glue. Here were the supplies we needed, and here's mine compared to the Kirkland's one. I cannot believe this sign is $100. It's super cute, but I know we can make it for way less than that. You can find blank canvases at Dollar Tree in various shapes and sizes. You could either wrap this with gingham ribbon, freehand some black stripes, or mask off stripes like I'm doing here. I had some lamb's ear, and I think this is so pretty and soft and very close to the look of our inspiration piece. I formed it into a loop and then tied the ends together with Dollar Tree floral wire. You can find these foam balls with the Christmas decorations. They seem to have them every year at Dollar Tree. I poked them into some floral wire and then twisted the ends together, and then I placed that around the lamb's ear. like to reuse my florals, so I try to be as non-destructive as possible. If you wanted to do this with no glue, you could poke holes through the canvas with a pin and then loop some of that thin floral wire through the canvas to hold everything in place. I am going to use a small amount of glue on mine, and I also used a few small dots to secure down any rogue leaves that weren't going in the right direction. But it was very minimal glue, so I will be able to pop this off the canvas eventually when I want to reuse that lamb's ear. Here were the supplies we used and the comparison to the Kirkland's version. Weren't these so easy to make, and we saved a lot of money by making these dupes ourselves. Don't forget to subscribe for more home decor ideas every week, and if you want to see even more Christmas crafts, I will link that playlist in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a creative day. Bye!